Hello, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. Today we are going to be looking at the choose function. I like this function so much, but I don't want to say too much about it. I want you to be very curious. So let's go to the class and see how this powerful function can help you to select values. Oh, I said that, but let's go. All right, welcome back to the class. So now let's look at another very interesting function. It's called the choose function. The choose function is a lookup function. It's an Excel lookup function. The choose function in Excel is used to return a value from a list of value based on the index number. So there's always a trigger. So it's like you create a list of value and use it to, once you click that, it triggers something else that will do something else. So it's like creating a chain of events or button. Okay. But you're going to see how that is. I'm just going to show an example and then you can now think of, I use it in financial modeling a lot. Choose function is a very beautiful function. Now, so how do you use the choose function? You use the equals choose, you pick the index value, then the first value, second value, and third value. Okay, so index is the number that is used to trigger the value, while the other values are from 1 to 254. Okay, so the choose function is useful for creating drop-like behavior, dynamic calculations, or selecting from predefined set of data in a flexible way. So let's see how this is done. So I have an example here. I have some discount options which I have specified here. So this is the typed by text. I typed discount option and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I typed them. Okay, just normal typing. There's nothing special, just 1.5%. That's all. That's what I did there. So it's just normal typing. So I typed 3%. Now do you use the percentage value? Of course, if I type 3, hold the shift key and press number 5, I get 3%. So that's what I did there. So I typed them. Then this one, I created a list. So if you want to understand how this list is done, you can subscribe to my channel and watch the video on data validation. You will see where I created list and how to do this. Okay, how to do this. Then this is what I want to do. I want to create a discount selector here. Since we can change the discount at any time, from the discount on this product can be changed at any time, from this to this, from this, or even this. Depends on what we want to do. So, and we want to see what the effect will be on the product. So we can simply say equals this value multiplied by our discount selector. Our discount selector is going to be absolute reference. So I'll put $A, $4. That is to lock it to this place. It means that everything that I do here will be logged to that place. So as you can see, it's always A4, always A4. So while the C9 is relative. So now I want to use this choose function and I'll say equals choose, equals choose. So the first thing that choose function is asking for me is the index value. So I'll provide this as the index value. Then the second thing is the values. Now, in choose function, you don't do like this. You don't select range. No, you don't select range. You pick them one by one because you are dealing with individual value. It's value 1, value 2, value 3. So you pick this value, you put comma, pick this value, put comma, put this value, put a comma, pick this value, put a comma, and pick this value. So what this means is that from index 1 to 5, I will always pick one of these. So I must have an index option of 1 to 5. So because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see that automatically the index 1 with the percentage of this has been chosen to calculate the discount. So if I come here and I select 2, it will calculate the discount. If I come here, it will calculate it based on this value. Don't forget that I multiply this, whatever shows here, by this amount will give me the discount. So this is now a dynamic table where I can easily specify what my discount will be based on that. And you can also use this to calculate the percentage payment on loan in a situation whereby you have series of loans and then the percentage you want to check what it will bring. So you can build the various percentage value. And so these are discounted values. We are discounting this by this. And so once you pick, it changes. As you can see, if I pick 3, it changes. So this list was created using the validation option. So you can learn that. Subscribe to the channel and learn how to do that. Okay, good. So you can see that this changes as this is triggered. So if I click this, this also changes. This change and it affects this, and then it affects this. So all I just did was build this here, type this, and then put a list. And of course, this list, if you don't know how to do this list, you can just be typing your number. Let's say I type 3 and I press enter. It will work based on 3. If I come here, type 4 and I press enter, it will work based on 4. Or you can choose it as a list, as you can see. So that's a kind of a trigger to do your calculation from various angles. So if you are a finance person and you are trying to use various criteria for a particular set of calculation, the choose function is your best bet. Okay, so that's where we're going to stop on the choose function. See you in another session when we'll be looking at another function. Bye for now.